Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Zoom with Zapier for AI meeting summaries, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect Zoom with Zapier for AI meeting summaries, start by logging into your Zapier account. If you don't have an account, create one on the Zapier website. Next, navigate to the main dashboard once you're logged in. Click on the Create Zap button, typically located at the top of the dashboard. For your trigger, search for Zoom in the app search bar. Select Zoom as your trigger app. You will be prompted to choose a specific trigger event. Select New Meeting or New Recording, depending on your preference. Click the Continue button. Now, you will need to connect your Zoom account to Zapier. Click on Sign in to Zoom. A new window will open for you to authorize Zapier. Log into your Zoom account if prompted, and grant the necessary permissions. Once connected, return to Zapier and click Continue. Next, you'll see options to customize your trigger. Select the specific Zoom account you just connected. Click Test Trigger to ensure everything is working correctly. Once the test is successful, click Continue to proceed. Now, you need to add an action step. Search for and select AI or the specific AI tool you plan to use for meeting summaries. Choose the action event that corresponds to summarizing text or transcripts. Click Continue. You will need to connect this AI tool to Zapier if you haven't already. Follow the authorization process to connect your AI tool. After connecting, click Continue once again. In the next step, you will set up the action by mapping data from Zoom to your AI tool. Select the fields that contain meeting notes or transcripts from the Zoom data. This data will help the AI generate accurate meeting summaries. Click on Continue when you're satisfied with the setup. Now, test your action step to ensure it integrates correctly. Click Test and Continue to see if the AI generates a summary based on the Zoom meeting data. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.